Hello, lovelies. Today we're going to make lentils casserole. Yum. All right, guys. So I am back. I decided to go ahead and make a small casserole, lentils casserole for myself and my husband because I had like 3 of the pork steaks left. So very important before you make it is you want to put your lentils in water and let it hang out for a while so they can hydrate, okay? And then you're going to take them out and you're going to mix them like I'm doing here with your rice, like that. Now, I have a lot more lentils than I do rice, but that is okay because that's what I'm going for. You can choose whatever you want to do with yours. You don't have to make it this way, but I kind of decided that this is what I wanted for our dinner today. So all I'm doing is this. You see that? Now I'm going to spread it just like that. And there's 2 cups of rice here, I might add. I didn't do all 3. And instead of the soup that I used for the other one, for the pork steak casserole, where it calls for 2 cans of beef consomme soup and 2 cans of French onion soup. Instead to mine, I'm going to add the beef broth or beef stock to it. And I have here 32 ounces, which is 2 pounds, I guess. And that's what I'm going to add. Now, I'm going to play it by ear. If I need a little bit more liquid, I'll just add a little bit more water. But I just wanted you to see what I'm up to. I have already browned my meat, okay? And all I'm going to do is take the drippings from here and add my my beef stock, and then I'm gonna pour it all over the I'm gonna move this is what I'm gonna do just to show you, because I still want to pour the broth over the meat. So I'm gonna do this for now, this right here. I'm sorry because I'm moving all over because I don't have it on the tripod. And I'm gonna do this. So I want to get all of this seasoning out of this pan. So I'm going to do this, like so. See that? Then I'm going to come here. Hold on. I'm going to move this out of the way. And I'm going to place my meat on top of my rice like I did before. Okay? So I just want to show you. I don't have a lot of meat. And that's fine. That's why I have a smaller baking pan. And I opted to do 2 cups of rice instead of the 3 cups of rice that the other recipe calls for. So you see this. You see what I'm doing. What I'm trying to do here is to show you that you don't have to limit to the other recipe. You can very well make it your own. Just use your imagination. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the drippings from this. Oh Lord, hold on guys, because I don't want to lose my. Hold on a minute. Let me put you on the camcorder, on the tripod. Right, guys, we're back. Now that I have both hands. Remember, the other one is in the oven already cooking. The other one that I made. I'm not going to add this to my rice just yet until I take the one that I have in the oven out of the oven, because I don't want this to sit in the juices and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold on to it here. I am going to add a little bit of seasoning to it. This is the rest of my broth. And this is going to be our dinner. Let me see. Does this thing have salt? Because I need to know. Gluten-free, fat-free. Where's the sodium content? Oh, it's got 110 milligrams sodium, 22. Okay. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, not too much, to it. And then I'm going to pour it over the top. But I'm also going to add a little bit of this. A little bit of my sofrito. Oh God, if I could get it open. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of my sofrito to it. And then I'm gonna cover it. And like I said, I'm gonna bake that one. So really you're getting I'm showing you how to do 2 of them. See that? So this is all that I'm doing right here. And then in an hour, when I get ready to put this one in the oven, and I bring you back so I can show you the one that's already in the oven, the one that I'm cooking for my daughter. So you can see, okay? But I just wanted to show you. Let me just show you what it looks like. See, I'm gonna let it hang out here. I'm gonna cover it, of course, and I'm gonna wait to add my liquid. Because I wanna add my liquid just right before I put it in the oven. To see if I also need a little bit more liquid, because I'm kind of winging it. I'm not going by the actual recipe of the other one, okay? Okay, guys, so I'm getting ready to put this in the oven at 350 for an hour. And this is my lentils casserole dish, okay? I'm going to cover up with foil paper. I'm going to put it in, and I'll bring you back in an hour and show you what it looks like when it's done. Hey, my lovelies, we are back. This is the finished product of the lentils. See, look at the lentils. Oh my goodness, look at the rice, how beautiful. Of the lentils casserole rice that I was talking about earlier. And actually, look at that. It's fully cooked. And I did 2 cups of rice to 32 ounces of liquid. And what I used was, as you saw, I used the beef stock. Swanson is what I use. It's my first time using it, actually. But I just want to show you how it turned out. Baked it for an hour at 350, and it looks amazing. My meat looks juicy. It's not dry. And guys, I cannot wait to start. My husband has been coming down to the kitchen, I don't know like how many times, asking me when it was going to be done. I am convinced that he does not listen when I tell him things, because I specifically said, it's in the oven, it's going to take an hour. He comes back half an hour later. So, there you have it. Anyway, guys, I hope you give this video a thumbs up. It looks amazing. And I can't wait to sink our teeth into it. Ta-ta.